Windows play a bigger role in your home's comfort than you may realize. In Middleburg, where hot, humid summers give way to cooler winters, keeping indoor temperatures balanced can be a challenge. If your windows are outdated or inefficient, they may be letting in drafts, heat, and humidity that make your home less comfortable and more expensive to maintain. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. Here's how they improve indoor comfort for Middleburg homeowners. Better temperature control. One of the biggest advantages of energy-efficient windows is their ability to regulate temperature. Double or triple pane glass with insulating gases like argon slows heat transfer, keeping hot air out in summer and warm air in during winter. Low E coatings reflect heat away from your home while still letting in natural light. This means fewer hot and cold spots, creating a more consistent indoor climate. With these advanced features, your home stays cooler during Florida's sweltering summers and cozier when temperatures drop. Reducing drafts and humidity intrusion. Drafty windows can make certain rooms uncomfortable no matter how high or low you set the thermostat. Energy-efficient windows are designed to seal tightly. Improved weather stripping prevents air leaks that cause drafts. Moisture barriers help block humidity from sneaking in, which is especially important in Middleburg's humid environment. Keeping moisture out also protects your home from mold and mildew growth. By eliminating drafts and controlling humidity, energy-efficient windows create a healthier and more comfortable living space. Quieter living spaces. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about peace and quiet. Old, thin windows do little to block outside noise, whether it's traffic, barking dogs, or neighborhood activity. Multi-pane construction and advanced sealing in energy-efficient windows provide excellent sound insulation. This reduces unwanted noise, giving you a more relaxing environment inside. For families in busy parts of Middleburg, quieter indoor spaces can make a huge difference in daily life. Protection from sunlight and glare. The Florida sun is strong, and while natural light is beautiful, too much glare can make a room uncomfortable. Over time, it can also fade furniture, flooring, and curtains. Low E glass reduces glare while allowing soft, natural light to enter. UV protection shields your interiors from sun damage without the need for heavy blinds or curtains. This creates bright, welcoming spaces without the discomfort of excessive heat or fading interiors. Lower energy bills equals less stressed. Comfort also comes from knowing your home is efficient and cost-effective. Energy-efficient windows help reduce your reliance on heating and cooling systems. With less heat transfer, your HVAC doesn't have to work as hard. Lower utility bills give you financial peace of mind. You can enjoy a home that's not only more comfortable but also more affordable to maintain. Over time, the savings often offset the initial investment in replacement windows. Boosting overall home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows improves daily comfort while also making your home more attractive on the market. Buyers in Middleburg appreciate modern windows that promise lower bills, quieter living, and better insulation. Increased resale value makes this a smart upgrade for the long term. Enhanced curb appeal adds to the pride you feel every time you arrive home. Final thoughts. Indoor comfort depends on more than just your thermostat. With Middleburg's mix of heat, humidity, and seasonal weather changes, your windows play a critical role. Energy-efficient windows regulate temperature, reduce drafts, block noise, and protect against glare, all while lowering your monthly bills. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or difficult to maintain, now is the perfect time to upgrade. With professional installation, you can transform your home into a cooler, quieter, and more comfortable space that you and your family will enjoy for years to come.